These days, with all kinds of manufacturers, suppliers, buyers and sellers, it's hard to tell where products and their components actually come from. For you, it's a mixed bag, so you never know what you're gonna get. So how do you choose and know you're making the right decision? There's plenty to consider, and the answers are coming. Choices, so many to consider, but that's why we're here. We believe in something for everyone, designing and making our own products that has something that will find you. A color, a style, a feature. And yet, your situation could still be different. It means we have to go the extra mile, gather the pieces and bring them together. We made our name making customized world-class shutters, affordable and built to last a lifetime. They said it couldn't be done. We said it could. And now we infuse that same determination with all of our products. And that's how we deliver something for everyone. You're busy, and you hardly need another product that's frustrating to use. So we put on thinking caps, tweaking, discovering, and even sometimes reinventing wheels. It means you don't have to work too hard, reach too far, or worry too much. It's the little things that count. All is well when things are new, but what happens over time? So how do products stand the test of time? And how do you look down the road and know you've made the right decision? Family and loved ones. It's about staying vigilant without compromise, about the things that matter most. Of course we care, because we have families too. But still, accidents do happen. And when they do, who can get you answers quickly and accurately? Who can you rely on when it really counts? Over 2 generations, decades of diligent, unwavering commitment to the North American market, and we've learned something very important along the way. Never compromise on the things that matter the most, meaning you have to do it yourself. If you want to provide something for everyone, you design and build them yourself. If you want a well-engineered product, you acquire the best materials and make the components yourself. If you want to make precision, customized products, you invest in the latest technology. If you want to deliver meticulous quality, on schedule, every time, it's all about culture. If you want your products to stand the test of time, you braid them yourself, you shield them yourself, you grow them yourself, you assemble them yourself, you even make the packaging yourself. And then you test, improve, and refine. And when all the boxes are checked, it's all systems go for a long and safe journey to find you. We are the most vertically integrated, original manufacturer in our industry, and it allows us to stand by you from A to Z for the long haul. It's all about choices, choices that make a difference. We believe in something for everyone, and that means a future where we all can look down the road and take pride in the decisions we make. Life doesn't have to be a mixed bag if you always know what you're gonna get. We are the men and women who go to work every day, checking boxes, putting on thinking caps, going the extra mile, and making the little things count. We are Norman.